Here is how to fix 100% GPU usage with an NVIDIA graphics card. So this video will show you how to fix the problem of your NVIDIA graphics card constantly running at 100% GPU usage, even when you're not doing anything demanding. So here's how to fix it. Open the search bar from the left-hand side of the screen and now type in settings or select the scale icon to access your settings. Now in the settings app, go to system. Now click on display from the left and select graphics settings. Now turn the hardware accelerated GPU scheduling option off. Give administrative privileges if required. And then you need to restart your PC to apply your changes. This should solve the problem. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.